Why does your scanner show the P2620 engine code? What does it mean? P2620 is a diagnostic trouble code for throttle position output circuit open. This error code indicates an issue with the throttle position sensor circuit, specifically that the ECM is detecting an open circuit when it expects a closed throttle signal. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Catalyst issues, PCM issues, wiring problems, faulty sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicle, especially in those manufactured in 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like BMW, Ford, Pontiac, Chevrolet, and GMC. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.